Okay, hey guys. Early stream today because I wanted to work on a project and I didn't feel like waiting up until evening, so yeah, starting earlier than usual. So I guess that we will keep working on those augments. That's the main topic on the table right now. And we actually started a new week. So let's create a new folder. Is this too loud? That seems correct. So that's the sprint 12. Kanban. I'm just gonna lower this one. Bring this one up. Trying to kind of balance the sound. But anyway. I will have to trust myself here because I may not have any feedback just right now. Will come later. And anyway, we're doing and we're complete. Okay. I'm actually gonna watch what was completed the last time. The minor range augment and the grid augment. Okay. So it seems that what I need to do, mostly, is try to have more than 3 augments, and the best would be like 6 to start with. 6 to start with, and then we could start working on the item pool, augment pool. Alright, let's go get our game. Bloons project. Alright. Creating an augment. Yes, that's is probably what we'll be doing here. So we have grid and minor range. We could have a attack speed augment, really. Yeah, let's make this dot speed, okay. Let's start with this one. So new resource. Oh, I actually have to create a key. Okay. I don't know if I prefer a string key rather than a enum key, because having to manually update this. Let's grab the texture. Textures. We can use dot pierce eventually as a placeholder. So we increase the attack speed of dot towers. Okay. So we link them in our dictionary then. Okay. Copy UID. Okay, cool. Now we must make the effect. So for this, we will go in. Probably the turret. Turret.gd. Can we make it here? Let's see. Do we actually have... Yeah, minor range. Okay, initialize augments. Oh, that's why we were at the bottom. We do have the augments. Okay, so here we're gonna get augments. So we're gonna load something from the dictionary, which is the types backspin. Now we get the augments, so dot attack speed magnitude. So we're gonna get dot attack speed augments. This seems fine. Maybe we could actually check that we do have a type that matches, so that we don't load this when we have non-dot turrets. Let's see if we should have the resource. Yes, resource type is equal to... interesting. Yes. We'll have the type here. So we want the dart turret, the attack turret, and the monkey. Oh, hypersonic. Interesting. So if the turret is one of these types, then we do load that. Oh, hi Darian. How you doing? So eventually we can try to look into your thing very quickly. What do we have? Because from what I understand, you just want to get the position in the world, like the global position, and translate it into a viewport position. Instantiate position, for instance. There's a lot of things in there. Coding triad with that music. Yeah. I think you need more details. I have an enemy and a UI with score. When I kill the enemy, I want the animation of going right into the score. Yeah, so... I think it's a question of... Oh, no. It's a question of global position. They're really gonna do that. This is never gonna end, is it? Position related to the node's parent. Okay, global position. This is probably... Do we have like viewport position? A world position? So first we tried with twin. Twin works if it goes on the front. It only targets the old position. The thing is that one is in pixels and one is in XY coordinates. But XY coordinates are in pixels. They are both in pixels. The coordinates of UI and the coordinates of the elements in space. I'm not sure to know what you're talking about right now. You need to convert it. So the global position here says that it is relative to the world, usually to the canvas layers. But this is pretty much what should actually happen. So we're gonna create a canvas layer, a world, yada yada yada. Well, technically they should probably be siblings. So just to make sure that we are good here, this will be the scene root and the canvas layer is gonna be here. So we have a control that takes the entire screen. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make a UI element. There's gonna be a panel on the top left corner. Okay. Let's add a sprite 2D. Which will contain some texture. Sprite 2D goes here, and technically if we do run this scene, we should have the monkey around the center, and we have the UI part at the top. I'm just gonna add something to this monkey, like, let's actually make it a static body 2D, I think, because here we should be able to have the input event. Yeah. Let's add a collision shape to it. Oh, wait a second. We kind of have a problem. Okay, here. No, whoopsie. Now we add a sprite 2D and a collision shape to it. Let's make it a circle and a monkey. You'll have something like this. It's okay. Disable Discord. Yeah, no, it is. Viewport and canvas transforms. As mentioned, every canvas node, the transform, translation, and rotation scale. Okay, that's the transform. First, let's try to make it this way. And we should be able to make this clickable. It does not contain any script. Let's add one. Can you get left click, please? I think it's one. Mouse buttons. Left is one. Okay, so we have this, and we're gonna print. Hey, can we click it? I'm gonna grab the chat again. Not really. Don't really care, actually. Yeah, it doesn't even work. Oh, probably because we have the control in front of it. Yeah, of course it's that. Mouse, ignore. I can click if you don't have a button. It is the input event, technically. Like, you can catch a click based on a collision shape and a static body. But for some reasons I don't get in it. It's kind of weird. I should be. But yeah, that's not really the point anyway. The point here is that we want to... We can do that with the timer. The timer being... Let's wait. Get 3. Create timer. And we're gonna wait timeout. So what we want to do at this point is create a UI item. So maybe I can have like this control here. No, I want to add a script to my control. And I will actually need to type this. So that will be the debug UI. I will make it static for the sake of doing that very quickly. So we're gonna have a create item with a new position. So maybe we will just make it simple. Valuable item as a texture rectangle. And we're gonna, no, we're gonna add this as a child directly. We're gonna add item as a child. So here we can probably say debug UI dot create item, and here we need a position. So what if we have vector 2? Let's make something random at the moment, like this should create an item somewhere in the screen. Does it create an item? No, because we have no texture probably. And we're gonna load this. Oops. Does this load a texture? Okay, except that the position's wrong. Yes, of course it is. So we create an item somewhere around here. Okay, so the item is created here. So now we need to get this position for this. We could even make the twin at the moment. And create item, and then twin to corner. And we probably want an object. So I'm gonna go with the object. Right, let's make it texture rectangle, because technically we need to make a type that is reusable. Problem is that your monkey is static, not moving. Yes and no. Because here I actually have moved the camera, right? So we are kind of simulating when the camera's away from the origin of the canvas layer. So here we are offset from the canvas layer's origin. So we have the texture rectangle. So object, no, twin, the twin property, object, position. We're gonna set the trans to circle. It's still the same, it will check the position, but what if you move? If it is in the UI layer, you can move away as far as you want. It is in another layer, so the camera will be moving, but whatever is happening in the HUD is not impacted by the move of the camera, which is exactly why I've been pressing so much on you must create an item in the HUD. Oh, I forgot to call it. What item? Well, whatever you want to have being displaced here. Now it's just a question of actually having the monkey spawning that at the right position. Okay, so monkey. Let's right click this guy and see what we have for the positions. So we are at node 2D. Global position, and transform. And canvas item. The thing is, can we actually get the screen position? Or the viewport position, actually. Get global transform with canvas. Huh. Returns the transform for the local coordinate system of this canvas item to the viewport's coordinates. Okay. This seems so devoted to my problem, like it is your problem. Well, that's kind of the purpose of why I'm creating content, you know. So we're gonna get that. So here we're gonna have the variable near position, or actually it's the position, but we're gonna call this viewport position as a vector 2 equal to this get global transform with canvas. Oh, is that a problem? It is a transform 2D. Okay, and that's the thing you were talking about. Transform 2D. Okay. So that's gonna be viewport transform, maybe? Oh wait, X is a vector 2. Interesting. There is X and Y axis which forms a 2-2. Oh, okay. Interesting. The 2D... Yes, no, that's not what I want to check. Is this... Get final transform. Affine inverse. Yeah, that's the thing, right? X. Of the basis X and the column 0 of the matrix coming with Y, this represents the transform's rotation, scale, and skew. Yes, so this seems wrong. I think... What if I just... viewport transform, actually. What if we just use the origin? Music is disagreeing. Yeah, kind of. the position, we're gonna add position.x. We're gonna increase that by delta multiplied by, I don't know, let's try 0.5 at the moment. And I'm actually gonna export a variable delay as a float. And here we're gonna use delay. Maybe too much at once. Okay, so delay is going to be 1.5, 2, 2.5. The thing is that even if I'm not, I don't really need that. It is an interesting problem to think about. Okay, maybe that's just too slow. Okay, let's see. Ah, that's pretty much it. Are you content? Yes, it works. Slightly, maybe there's a few adjustments to make, but yeah, I think that's it. The thing is that in Transform 2D, the X and Y are very confusing. It contains 3 vector 2. Because the origin is probably the position, right? This can be seen as the position. This is where it's confusing. Origin equals position. Because X and Y are basically the other things which are applied to it, and I didn't read too much into Transform because that was kind of confusing. But yeah. I wonder if that's exactly what she's talking about in her videos about math in video games. Yeah, maybe that's not what she talks about directly, but... But yeah, the idea is here, I guess. So anyway, with what... You can always go rewind this to see in details what I was doing. And that should be enough to get you working. You won't have any problem if you're instantiating what that wave would be like. Wait, I won't have any problem if I instantiate what that wave would be like for me. The thing is that you can make it whatever you want. Here I make it a texture rectangle. I actually just created the object with the create texture rectangle new. Like, yeah, you can instantiate whatever you want, because the only important thing is the position of the node. So you instantiate that, you just work with position. And like, you can make it even slightly better, right? Like, you can say something. Like here you do twin property, object, modulate A. You go to 0. in, let's say 1 second. Then you say tween set parallel and another tween property. Tween property. Okay. Here you have object, scale, and you go for vector 2.0. Again, 1.0, and you wait for this to be finished. Put here, and before that, you go tween property, object, you put the scale, you make it to vector 2 dot. Does 1 exist? Yes. Okay. You go with 0.5, and you go from vector 2 0. Oh, doesn't work. Key finished on a null instance. Oh. Scale. That could be faster, this thing at the end. And also, let's have this item.pivotOffset equal to size divided by 2. And I think we should be good. Oh, just let's make this 2. Okay, I think we've got it. Oh, wait a second. That's wrong. Yeah, maybe in my tween frenzy I did something too much. But yeah, anyway, that's kind of the point, right? Is that a pivot offset? Is this why you're so mad? Yes, looks like it. But yeah, anyway. We're gonna close this. And we're gonna delete the debug folder. Okay. So, I was actually in my Terra script doing this thing. Okay, you magical guy, don't have to put on. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it's like, I'm getting distracted from actually having to work here. That's also part of the thing. The auto tax been manipulated, yes. Yeah, sorry for that. No, I mean, you do realize that I'm in control of what I'm doing, right? Like, if I want to be distracted, I get distracted, and if I don't, I don't. That's the thing. Because I'd rather do that during a live stream than troubleshooting these kind of things when I'm off stream. Because eventually I could have ended up in a situation where I actually didn't find a solution for this, and I would be stuck. And well, too bad. But yeah, I was really curious about, does the idea that I have, does this work or not? And I really wanted to know. What time is it? 41 minutes, because I have the washing machine to charge after soonish. Prepare, now I need to watch the slide 3 times, and I need to puzzle what you've done and what I've done. I hope I explained it well enough. I may have gone very fast, but I hope I said the words. But you had the idea. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. You can make the life 0.25. Usually people make me faster. Okay, so here we have an initial decrease in cooldown with based on the augments we already have. Are we in a situation of yes? I was not sure about it. You remember when you were first watching the starter series of Idol? At one point you made the videos too quick and needed to watch. Oh! I mean, I made the videos too quick. Yes, because I inverted, but yes, that's the thing. Okay, so this, the video you're talking about, I had a comment very recently about it. And it was actually basically the idea behind this one was that my videos were too slow, which is kind of the case if you consider that people are actually accelerating it. So I tried a different version, which is not talking while I'm typing, because I'm wasting time and the rhythm is kind of wonky, not linear, right? The rhythm is very fluctuating. And then I was voicing over the video, and oh god, that was fast. We said that your videos are slow. Some people in the comment, right? Like there's the 1.5 gang. There's definitely a 1.5 gang. So this initialize augment thing, it is fine, but what if... Ah, okay. It's right there. Sometimes I do things I don't understand. I mean, I do understand why, but... honestly, this deserves a function. We have something in the debugger. The auto attack speed magnitude is declared but never used. What do you mean? It's just right here. What the? Oh, that's an old one. Oh, we're gonna make another check. If Blech. So we decrease the cooldown, and that's correct. I'm actually quite curious. Maybe we can test this. Let's see. Print cooldown. Okay. I don't know, we can try. But 0.05 is not that much, really. Okay, so here, let's see. Cooldown is 1. Okay. Oh, I actually didn't make the upgrade purchasable. Let's change this. Third augment. Do we load this? And we add this. Third card. Okay, so we have 1, 2. Oh, let me lower the sign slightly. Oh no, I didn't activate the super secret setting. Okay, dot speed. Why do they have all the same? Yeah. Is this Elfium texture of the map? Yes, the map is. The map, the monkey, the Tactorate. No, why you didn't change? Boo! So you stole it? No, he gave it to me. That's different. Minos stole. Yeah, there's a problem though. The thing is not applying. Can I go see remote right now? Remote. Augments. We have 1 augment, dot speed. So you still stole it instead of making it one of your own. No, he made it explicitly for this game. And when I don't use the things he does, I get scolded. So I'm the one being bullied here. But yeah, you're joking. Of course you're joking. Yeah, you're one of those who know the story around there. It's not like a random person would just get here, discovered thing. But this doesn't work. Why? I'm not agreeing with that. Isn't that cooldown? Okay, I'm just gonna check that. Is that a good way to fix? I don't know. It's probably a very bad way to fix. I need to check what I want to check, but at least I will know. I hope I... Why? Oh, yes. That makes sense. Yes, it is normal. Let's go! This game we have an end. There is an end already, but I think it's not possible to reach it. At least I haven't found the strategy. So resource.cooldown minus equals 0.5. We're good. Oh! Oh. Oh, or do you mean this game will have an ending, like, no ending specified. So, basically my print was discarding the... My print was discarding the... decimals of my number. Do you feel stalked? Let's go. Okay, let's buy an augment. There we go. And now they have 0.75. No. No, they don't. 0.75? Oh, is it because it was already rounded? Oh yes, no, we're good. So no ending prepared yet. My brother told me that having a scoreboard, a leaderboard, could be interesting. I just don't know how to make those. So no, at the moment it's a no. You hear me? No, he doesn't. He doesn't speak English very well. So, yes. It's okay, I speak French very well. The thing is that eventually one of these days I will be launching French videos and French streams. So that could be an opportunity for you to actually practice your French. Practice your baguette. That sounds weird. But yeah. You're good here. But yeah, anyway, eventually I will have French streams somewhere. French videos. So, why this doesn't have the right texture? Oh, probably because... No, probably not actually. So a leaderboard? Yeah, no, that's not even in the cooker yet. He can wait for it a long time. Yeah, that's the one I want. Yes, ending to play endless for those who don't want to work of an ending. Just make endless game, of course. Yeah. Yeah, yet again, it is a remaster of a game with no ending, so technically I don't have to make one. This balloon pop effect is something I made also. That's this little white exploding pattern. I didn't do much in this game, let's be real. It's actually quite easy when you have the extra gold. So anyway, we have a third augment. What do I do with that? Do I do another one? Eventually. So we have Ice Shadow, small chance for Ice Tower to shadow balloons. 10 reactions, small chance to pop an extra balloon. Nah, not this one. Oh, this one can be complicated. Bigger dots. Eventually bigger dots. Yeah, let's do this one. Alright, let's create a new create new resource. Wait, this is still running? Give me 3 seconds. Ah. 3 minutes. Anyway. Yes, creating a new thing. Oh, yeah, I hate that. Let's do it anyway. Hey, bigger dots. No texture. That's cool. Now actually make an effect of it. This will probably be kind of annoying to make. Bullets. We can make this in there, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go with +2 on each. That could be interesting. Oh. Scan for balloons, fire alpha twin. Apply augments. That's gonna be fine. So here, we're gonna be the, let's say, gross magnitude. Gross augment. Yeah, I think that's it. So collision shape. For the collision shape 2D. Okay, so if gross magnitude, that could be interesting. Collision shape 2D. Dot shape. Dot radius. Okay, 3 and 2. I think we have to type this as a capsule. Quick, capital of Germany. I would say Berlin. Okay, so I think that's cool for this one. We're good. Almost, actually. We need to apply this. Let's not make this an already, but an export. Yes, we said apply augments. Let's make it first, actually. Let's make this sprite 2D as well. Let's make it scale. Hmm. Yeah, it should be good. Now, for this one, we just pray. Literally, I don't know. For this one, we just pray for this to work, because I don't really know how I can test this. Now, honestly, geography is something that I really don't care about. You try to keep my mind sharp? Yeah, so don't use geography. I don't even know the regions of France, right? Like... When was the end of the World War I year? That was 18. That's the kind of things that you come to eventually know, I think. Good, good. I think I'm ready to create a fourth upgrade or augment. And it's gonna be 04. Piercing dots. Wait. I think it should be done. I will be right back very soon. Why do I feel like the floor is still vibrating? Let me be right back. There I am. What side did France fight on? What side? What do you mean by what side? There were two constant powers. Oh, that must be. The thing is, I want to troll so badly, right? Like saying something like, "Oh, France was fighting with Argentina for a border question." But no, that was obviously the Germans again, because technically there's a recurring theme here. Capital of Germany, World War One. But yeah, that's the thing actually. I was talking about that quite recently. Because we were talking about Russia taking the Russian region of Ukraine. And someone actually very smartly somehow referenced to the East region of France, which historically has been jumping back and forth between France and Germany, to the point that we don't really know. It's kind of both now, even though it's French. Cities? Yeah, cities and villages have German names. Even the architecture, it looks like Germany a lot. I actually don't know if there's some German speaker there. But yeah. And Antenta? I don't know how this is in English. Don't think I know either. Yeah, that first. I mean, I don't really know the details because technically, if it's a world war, it's more than just France and Germany, but I think that was the main front line somehow. I don't know why. It's kind of interesting how both world war are both centered around Germany, like as the big bad of both. Right, if it is a world war, technically it's way more than just one big bad. And in that same logic, technically, some would argue that the Ukraine war is almost a world war as well, because we have forces from, for example, America, which are investing in this war. So it's involving not just two countries. But you know, it's the kind of thing is that you don't have to, you're not allowed to say that in France, because that's like conspiracy. So that the things that you can say is kind of crazy. I mean, now maybe it's more accepted, but yeah, back then when it was fresh and hot, jeez. And I can't even say that we have like super harsh medias, because when we see what's happening in Romania, for example, like we're not here, but we're getting there. If Mark has 3 apples and Anna has 2, how many apples will Anna have if Mark gives her all his apples? What? Like, why do you come up with this kind of questions? What's the deal? I'm trying to think that there's a trap, but I don't see why there should be a trap. I'm doing, like you say, read again. I've been reading it again and again and again. Yeah. Wait, no. If Mark has 3 apples and Anna has 2, how many apples will Anna have if Mark gives her all his apples? No, I don't get it. I don't get the trap here. And by the way, you lied. There's no mistake here in the math part. Your brain isn't braining. Your first answer is right. The problem is that you have instead. Yes, but I mean, if there's no trap, I'm trying to understand the point of the question. That's the thing. And in the sense that it looks stupidly easy. So it is trying to grab something. You're trying to grab my attention span? You will notice that it's not very hard to do. And eventually, on the long run, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Because as long as I be streaming, I will do things, even at a slow pace. But if I'm not, for example, let's say that I'm tired or just exhausted or whatever, and I don't want, or just like not interested, I stop the stream. I'm not gonna do anything at all. So the progress is gonna be 0. So as long as the stream's running, there's slow progress. It's good you're doing multitasking, answering the question and coding. Yeah, and there's also this question of, I want to say, priority. Usually, I consider the chat a bigger or higher priority than actually coding the game. Because right here in this game, I'm not late. A mind that is not facing problems all the time is a lazy mind. Oh gosh, I'm not lazy in that way. Well, first of all, I picked like game dev, like we picked all, is a lot of problem solving all the time. And then I'm caring to solve other people's problems as well. Yes, you're doing right. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. I have the kind of brain that likes it, but I understand that some people don't like it. I understand that. But technically, we should have the Pierce augment here. Texture path. Oh. I need to set a texture path here. Time to see your problem. To puzzle that, yeah. You're the only one working here, so I need to work as well. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing also. Sometimes I try to watch game dev to game the streams to get to work on the site, but I just get distracted by actually chatting in the chat. So... usually it works better when I'm on the streamer side rather than on the viewer side. Maybe I can try... okay, I could try to make icons. So what is the size of it? I think it's... oh, 128. I was wrong. I was wrong. So file. Properties. Let's bring our little dot here. You mentioned I'm not late with the game. What do you mean? Well, technically, I finished. I mean, I'm like 99% finished. Everything I'm doing right here is just extras. That's the thing. Does this look like a faster dot? Maybe they have to be longer. But yeah, I think so. Documents, balloons, assets, textures, augments. Oh. Hi, Singing Me. Hi, Singing You. How you doing, Secondarian? Are you evil, Darian? Oh, you're the good Darian. That explains a lot. Can I actually remove this point? Haha. Get sharp. No, please get sharp. Yeah, thanks. Oh, that's kind of weird now. Oh, here's the evil one. And here's a neutral one. The colors are important, I think. And the fourth, we don't talk about the fourth. Indeed, indeed. Almost looks like my brain. Let's actually try to apply my textures before I make 20 of those. Okay, so piercing dots. Augment dot pierce copy. Bigger dot. Oh, I don't have this one. Dot speed. Okay. So maybe now the augment card choice could eventually try to pull something. I mean, to pull random cards. So probably in the Augments script, yes. Okay, we have a pool of augments, I think. And on ready or on initialize, we want to make this pool. So augment pool, we're gonna clear it. Okay. Now augment pool. I can manually load them like this. And put comments to say what they are. Oh, the thing is that what is the cooldown of a super monkey? Oh, it is 0.05. So, that's a problem. I will have to fix that. And yeah, I will be right back again, and then I will have to fix the cooldown speed thing. There I am. I am back with the headphones. And do I have all the augments? Yes, I have all the augments. Well, back. Oh, thank you. We're gonna have a pick random augments. Okay, so picking a random augment, actually very easy. Augment pool that pick random. Did you erase something? We have internal monologue happening here on the chat. And maybe I can duplicate. Duplicate each. Like, nah, let's not duplicate right now. We'll do that later. Anyway, augment card's choice. First card, inject data. If this works, that is so cool. That's it. Oh no! Super Monkey. I'm gonna exclude Super Monkey from Actually, I should clamp attack speed. That's probably a better thing to do. So, in turret, I think. Because this is very messy and that we're getting full spaghetti-o. Yes, we're getting full spaghetti-o. So, if resource dot cooldown is inferior to 0.02, okay, so here we have a minimum cooldown. Spaghetti! And we can try. Spaghetti code. So we should have 3 random augments. No. Why is that? Oh, I didn't initialize the array. Yup. Technically, I can just go with Augments. Okay, let's try. Do we actually try the real game? Let's try the real game. Let's not shit. Okay, so we have minor range, piercing dot, and dot speed. I will try... Oh. Wow. Why does this do that? Uh-huh. But let's go piercing dots anyway. I want to see those dots pierce, like they never pierced. Oh yeah, but it's 5%. Oh god. Let's try again. Oh, YouTube! I gotta stop screaming every time this happens. Maybe I can try to make a print here. Bullet. Script. Print rich. Do we actually give a second augment? Like... at wave 6. Well, that's not really the point here yet. I want to try... the piercing. I want to see if we get extra piercing. Okay, bigger dots, no image, no description. Oh, yikes. I don't understand why, or maybe it's the middle one. Oh, that's not a lot of piercing. File not found. Yes, that's what I was expecting. Texture path, we need one. Okay, so let's actually check this guy. Wow. I absolutely don't understand it. I don't know if it comes from the... Oh god, my word is gone. I don't know if it comes from the augment or from the scene in itself. I need to see the same augment on a different position. And please give me bigger dots. No, it is piercing dots, so... somehow this creates a bug. So you have the instantiate function where you instantiate the coins. There should I install the twin and the rest? You did in the canvas layer. What can I do here? No. Probably not. You want the twin eventually to be... you want to apply that when the nodes exist. You want to add it to the tree first, and then apply the twin, I guess. And, I mean, you can try, that's the thing. I mean... but yeah, eventually what I suggest you to do is to have the thing that instantiates, repositions, add it to the tree, and then activate the twin. Oh, what now? Property key scale on object, no. No, that's not no. Where did you see that no? Oh, and now I'm not gonna have wider dots. I know it. I know it. I know it. I'm just gonna cheat at this. Yeah, I absolutely can tell. It is not self, should be the instantiate thing. Yes, most likely. Because the instantiate things will have the reach of the... well, just check the code again, which I don't have anymore. But you will see that it is the script from the base of the UI. Oh, wait, we have an error. Oh, that's just the... yes, let's just make the dot bigger then. So this goes away. And you here... no. How can I make this object bigger? No! Oh, I'm gonna hate that. Perfect. Okay, let's zoom. Here. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, it's so ugly. Cha-cha-cha. Now, can I make the twin in the coin script? I have one in ready. It will work the same. I mean, if it has the right position, why not? Oh yeah, since it is 0, 0 anyway. I mean, if you have the landing point. No, yeah, there are many ways to do that. Just because I would do it this way before. Can I scale this? If I pick those two objects, wait a second. Oh, I can't. No. Oh, maybe there's a transform. Okay, pick the objects. Effects. Maybe not. Why don't you want to get fat? Good, it works. Okay, cool. Yeah. One step closer. As I say. That's the thing, right? Like, you should be fine with the demonstration from before. Elf, please make this bigger. Or maybe, wait a second. What if I rotate it? Like this. Perfect. So I can change this. And move those guys. Oh, there we go. Now I just need to reproduce the same thing. That's a bigger dot. Okay, now I can rotate it back. Okay. I can center. Woo! There we go. That's a bigger dot. Does this even show? I don't know. It doesn't even matter because, okay, it's wider here, but that's the pointy part that's important. But nobody's gonna know that speaker dot. Right, one person's gonna know, like who can, not enough to row in the game. You will know, yeah, that's one. Mm. I'm starting to feel hungry. What time is it? Oh yeah, it is. I'm getting closer to lunch. I mean, it's usually the time I eat because I want to get ready for the 20:00 stream. Okay, can we make more augments with the bullets, for example? Oh, can we make shining? Oh, that would be crazy. And that should be quite complicated to me, actually. But can we do that? That would be so cool. How can I do if my twin reach the end, like twin.ends Q3? That's the line where we have the await. So if you watch the code that I did, you will see that there is an await in front of the last twin line. But to use await, you need to have a signal. So at the end of the twin property, you must specify that you are awaiting the twin property dot finished. There's no but. No, there's no but. That's just yeah, period. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, dot. The wait is the starting point, the start, and then the finish in the end. And until the finish, the code below will not run. Now really. Await will make a pause until you receive a specific signal. The thing is, the twins are kind of asynchronous, so when you define the twin and then you move to the next instruction, the twin is started and it will run from there, live its own life. So yeah, the code doesn't wait for the twin to finish. But if you say, I want to mark a pause here to wait for this specific signal, which is the twin being finished, to be done, then that's it. If that makes sense. Yes, that's kind of, yeah, that's it. You wait the tween to emit the finish signal, which is done at the end of the last tween property. Okay, so here we want to create something else, which is an area 2D. Chain area. What do we do with the chain area? Var I'm gonna create a scan for shading. So balloon areas. So I do need chain area. Alright, chain area. So variable target, if balloon areas that size is superior to 0. Actually, if it is equal 0. Otherwise, target, which is a balloon area 2D, equal balloon areas dot pick random. Oh, actually, we can get it like this. Yes. Okay. And now we need to redirect the dots. Okay, so new direction. So direction is equal to target.position. Oh. Target.balloon maybe? Why is that? Are we good? Yeah, why I can't grab this? Target dot balloon. Uh-huh. But anyway, we normalize this. I just don't understand. Maybe that's because we don't have the as balloon reactivity here. Let's try this again, just to be sure. Oh no, that's because we have a target here. Yeah. Okay, so let's create a new target. New target. New target. Yeah, there we go. And target is what? A balloon. Oh, we need to increase the range. Okay, I'm gonna randomly add 33 range. Oh, bullet range. And lifespan will also increase by 0.33. Just in case. Actually quite interesting. Oh, we need to rotate. It works, but no. It's still a mess somehow. You forgot even the monkey is moving, so I have 2 points that move, but I think it's the same. The thing is that at the moment they die, for example, and they generate points, or let's just say at the moment they generate points, the points created by the monkey or the meatball, is it? I don't remember. It is not part of the meatball anymore. It is part of the HUD. So whatever is happening to the meatball after this shouldn't matter. So it could do whatever it wants. Alright, so here we have to think a bit. First we will try to chain, and then we will try to pierce. Okay, let's create 2 functions. Then try to pierce. So if pierce is inferior or equal to 0, Here's minus equal 1. Return true. Okay, so Pierce. Okay, so here we hit the target. Great. We're gonna try to chain, so try to chain. If chained, we do return. Else, variable pierced, try to pierce. If pierced, otherwise Q3. All right. The coins is spawned near the monkey, not in the monkey. Maybe it's something with instance viewport transform. Maybe there's a slight offset. I noticed there was a slight offset with. Remember that sprites 2D have their origin at the center, meanwhile texture rectangle have their origin at the top left corner. So eventually what you may want to do is to not have a texture rectangle, but a sprite 2D. Because I don't think you can have the origin point of a texture rectangle at the middle. It is technically possible. It is technically possible if you do edit this arrow here. Right? The object's pivot? No. Actually, kind of. No, I don't know. No, the position. So eventually, what you can do, right? I think it's okay, is to use a sprite 2D in the HUD. You can try that. Into A. Okay, I'm gonna repeat what I was saying maybe. So what you can try is to make your coin in the HUD a sprite 2D. Even though it's in the HUD, try a sprite. It is a sprite already, then I don't know. Maybe there's an offset that you just need to add. You mean the main node to be the sprite? Yes. What the hell? Oh, okay, try to... Okay, my bad. Wait, why did it pierce though? Oh, okay. Would you look at that? We're gonna have a shining dot. Ready? On a null area. Oh, maybe that because I didn't. Yes, I didn't assign this. It's a little better, but still worse. The problem is how it is instantiated. At some point, I will need to have the code of the project, I think. Always spawns on the right side of the screen. Why you not chaining, you mean? Do I have to make it bigger? Or maybe I have to make it bigger. You can't have me if you don't have the code logic. But no, I have my viewport transform equal get transform with canvas as utility. The instance is the instantiated function. I don't know. I'm kinda lost. You're not supposed to die. Right? I don't know. I'm kind of lost right now. My brain's taken by the same thing. Can I make the game run slower for real? I mean, yes, I can. Yes, I can. It is absolutely not working. And this balloon pop thing has to go. But anyway. Okay. Oh, your problem you think you can solve? You took the position from the enemy script, not the player one. This should be. Oh, the rotate is wrong. Because I first need to make rotation equals 0. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, it has to be different? So here, balloon areas dot erase targets. Oh no. Okay, what if we make so I'm gonna make a new array of balloons. So for the balloon area, and here we need to remove the targets. So yeah, new target, which is a balloon. Right, let's see where we are from here. It's probably just a question of the angle being wrong. Okay, let's think. We're here. We have this guy. We make this guy minus this, which reads that. We normalize it. And we want the... Oh, maybe there's a... No? Yeah, no, that's not that. Oh, really? Maybe I need to make a new direction because this is somehow... No, actually it's good. Let's see, I'll alter it. Maybe this will inspire me. Dot... Fire. No. get something. Fire. The target position. Oh, maybe that's the global. The problem is still the same. It's not calculating the new positions. Why the new positions? I don't understand. Seriously, I don't understand what you're trying to do right now. You calculate the position at the moment it spawns the coin, not before. Position before I moved. But it doesn't matter. If you move, the coin is not in the world anymore, it is in the HUD because you have added the child in the HUD canvas layer and not in the world canvas layer. So it doesn't matter. You're gonna make me crazy. Your main's back. Hi. Hi, Adam. How you doing? Rotate. You're doing good. Cool. You're crazy. We're all crazy. I'm confused. I'm confused because I'm trying to make this chain thing happen, but it's not super, yeah. Oh, that's the thing. The target is... In fact, I will be right back very quickly. I'm not gone. I'm 2 seconds gone. I took the get viewport of the canvas layer, a packed scene DB1. But I also have the camera 2D for the player. Should I take the camera 2D screen? Okay. Here. Right there. We have 2 things. We have the world. Can I move the world? Which is this thing, right? The more the world can move, it doesn't matter. It is in its own space. The canvas layer, which is the HUD, that you do know. It is another canvas layer that we specify that we create a new layer to make the HUD specifically. Then, when you have the coin that you want to instantiate, you have an object which is in the world. An object right in there, in the world. Alright, let's use the cursor. An object, does this work? In the world here, who will create an item. It will send a request to the HUD in this canvas layer to create an item in it with its position. Yeah, which would it? I hope this is enough. So bullets, you made me lose. Okay, I got it. Scan for chaining, and here, the targets. Okay, because technically I shouldn't always have a... Why is there one balloon in here? I don't understand. Oh, what's going on? I'm kinda... yeah. I hate that. I hate that. So yeah. Adam, what are we doing? I'm working on the augments. So we have a few augments already. And now I'm trying to make a chaining augment, which makes the dot chain to a different balloon. Okay, let's go. And it doesn't. Why the first one doesn't chain? That's... First, always... Is it a wrench thing? I asked that I need to get the coordinates of the HUD or the camera 2D. I have the UI HUD, like you have, and camera 2D from the character. The character doesn't matter, I mean here. No, it doesn't matter. Viewport transform, glide global transform, blah, blah, canvas. Should I get the viewport or the canvas layer of the camera 2D? The viewport. Viewport. Yeah. Wait, what? So the canvas layer. You lost me. I'm so lost. I think at this point I can't really explain it any better than I did already. Do you things? Yeah, I don't know. It works in a interesting way. Let's imagine that I have the augments. No. Oh, wait. Maybe I should finish that. Yeah, I should finish that. Okay, let's make the entire augment. Create new resource. It's later going. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. I'm getting cooked as well. So I'm just gonna do the simple things for this augment and then training dots. Dot chain. Okay, I'm gonna rename that minor chain. Chaining? No, chain. We're in passive things out here. But you like your project so far. That's cool. I think you haven't revealed what it's about yet. Which is okay. That's more of a surprise when we play it. It's kind of like the asset, you know, like the monk arc, secret arc, hidden arc, whatever. It's this trend. So we have minor chain. Yeah, not until it's done. Yeah, that's the kind of thing I couldn't be doing. I would be so tired of doing that alone. What if I create a star? No. I will get it. Will you come? But anyways, good night. You're sitting. Oh, you're Q3ing yourself. Yeah. Reminds me of this meme that says, in Godot we don't destroy childs, we freeze them. That's kind of it. So yeah, good night to you. I will be here quite a bit. I actually have to change the strike style. Wait, why is this buggy? Yeah, it's just... Let's delete this guy. And create a point in the middle, maybe? No? I can't? Oh, like this. Okay, here we add a strength. This one to be slightly smaller. That looks okay. Can you duplicate this guy? Hide it. Let's see here. I don't like it. I just need to move this point. Oh no. No. Rotate this guy. Rotate. Maybe this. Is that okay? Yeah, I don't know. That's gonna be fine. That's gonna be fine at the moment. I will make a better one if I do need to. Minor chain. Dots will sometimes chain. Here's a bullet. The minor chain augments. I'm gonna load. Two. There we go. So we have 10% by augment, variable, or maybe we could go with 25. Oh, we don't need a roll here. So we're gonna have chain roll, chain chances. Okay, plus equal 1. There's just something. Right, we kind of want to scan here, scan for chaining. Yes, and this should return a boolean. So here that is return true. Otherwise we do return false every time we return. So here. If we do find a target, here we return, otherwise we queue free. Okay, let's no, we don't need to try that. We can actually try the augments in general. Okay. Yes, we don't have. Let's reset. Hmm. For real. I don't understand why this is not the right size though. Piercing dots. What's wrong with piercing dots specifically? Maybe I should try to pop it and watch the remote. Not read the remote that. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. Augment card. Can I actually watch this? Not really. Again, here, augment card. Oh, second card? Second card. Okay, second card. I need to find what's different. Oh, the veil. Could be the veil. Like, the veil wouldn't be covering the entire card? Maybe like the card is just getting wider. But what if this... I think it's just a question of having the name should be shorter. Piercing. Okay. Anyway, I think we're good here. That's all I want to do today, at the moment. And I actually didn't create any card that's kind of special. So I will be logging a bit of what I did today. Alright, you can go. Alright, so what did we do? Dots, ping, bigger dots. Yes, we're good. Piercing dots. And that's probably all we did today, actually. But that's fine, because the augment chain took a lot of time. So, yeah. Not a big sprint, but still some content, so we're good. Actually, alright. So, thank you guys for being here, passing by and stuff. I will see you soon, I hope. We have a few things to do for this game still. Oh, I was trying to get the chain thing, but it's not in the pool. Let me just add this to the pool, because otherwise it's gonna be sad. And that actually reminds me that I have to log this. This is minor chain. Okay, logging this. Alright. So I was saying, thank you guys for passing by and stuff. We did a little bit of off-road with another problem solving, which is cool, at the beginning of the stream. So anyway, I will be disappearing, and I will leave you on this absolutely not calm music. I hope you guys have a good day or evening, whatever the time is, and I will see you later.